Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a really exciting video because this is my first Ikea video since lockdown. So it's the first time going back to Ikea since like the shops have opened, and I'm really excited to show you what's new in. So if you want to see what's new in Ikea, then just keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed were these gorgeous shelves. These are new in and I absolutely love them. They had them in white, grey and black. Lots of different brackets as well. We actually bought the white version, and then they also had lots of different flowers and plants, lots of faux flowers. I had never noticed the hydrangeas in there before, but these are really beautiful for £12. I also loved all of the greenery and flowers. I actually bought some olive branches as well, but I loved all of the bright flowers, lots of pretty colours, and again, lots of greenery. These were a few of the ones that I found on the website as well because I didn't see these in store. I love the colour of this one. It's like that really kind of grey green, I guess, like a muted green. There was also lots of great garden furniture. I really like this kind of gazebo, which is new in, £135. I thought that was great, and it's a really good size as well. They had lots of furniture like bistro sets, dining sets. There was so many different options in there. Online, I spotted this chair, which I thought would work really well outside or inside, but it did only have 2 stars, so I'm not too sure on the quality. And with this little table, I thought this would be a great little space-saving hack. Perfect if you've got a small garden or area that you want to kind of put that on. And then I thought this was really cool if you have like an outdoor bar area. I love the black detailing on this for £170. And then I thought this hammock would really look cute in a garden, like little corner that you want to spruce up under a tree. I just thought it'd be so nice and relaxing. And I absolutely loved this stool. This was actually styled in the outdoor section, but I think this would look gorgeous in a kitchen as well. I thought that was really, really nice. And I loved these little succulents. I thought they were cute. They came in a grey and pink pot. Here's a few other bits for the outside section. Lots of parasols. This is our parasol actually that we've got. This is the parasol that we have. It's from the Bag On range and it was £45. We don't actually have the weights with ours, but as you can see there, they have displayed it with the weights, which you can buy separately. We haven't had a problem actually not having the weight on ours. We get asked that quite a lot actually, but you could buy the weight separately if you need to, or if it's a really windy area. It's really, really easy to assemble, and as you can see there, that is showing you how to put it up, and it does cover a lot of the area as well, so it's really, really lovely. Parasol for £45, it's a great budget parasol. Moving on, there were so many candles in store. They all smell amazing. I love all of the candles from Ikea. These were the faux plants. This is a new one here. They're all Fejka or Faker, and yeah, this little bay tree was super cute as well. I think it's a bay tree. It's like a little mini one. And I thought that would look really lovely in a kitchen, in a nice little pot. And I also really like these small little pots too. I thought they would be gorgeous for, you could even put like sweets in these, or obviously plants, anything really. I also came across these frames in store. They were quite large frames. I'm really sad that they didn't do them in a smaller size, but I loved the wood effect. And I really liked this little pegboard as well. I thought this would look really cute in a bedroom or in your kitchen to display little messages. I thought that was super cute. Furniture wise, I spotted this sofa which has like a metal frame, and I liked the shelf that it had underneath it. I think this could work really good outside, and I also really liked these little nest of tables, so they were £55. I loved the retro colours in this little section here. I thought that was really cool, and this chair was lovely as well. So this is a really lovely chair. It's got that button back feature and kind of a microfiber material, I guess, in a beige. This is a chair we've got in our house, but in a dogtooth kind of finish. And I loved this. This was new actually, this footstool. Very, very nice. £229 with like a velvet finish. They had a few different colours, which you can see just above this chair. That kind of wine colour and that gorgeous teal as well, which I loved. And then they had lots of different cushion covers. Look at all of these cushion covers. There were so many. Lots of great colours. It was literally like a rainbow in Ikea, which I really, really loved. Obviously, I was drawn to more of the neutral colours, so I'm showing you a few of those, but I loved this linen effect one. I just thought it was so nice. And there was also a couple of faux fur ones, which I thought would be gorgeous for autumn and winter. I loved this rattan chair. I've seen it in there before, actually. It's £150. And then they had this other one here, this more fabric style chair. I loved the mustard colour. And again, look at all of the rainbow colours, how they've set it out. I thought that was really lovely. I really liked the finish of this dining table, and it's also like extendable, which was really nice. And then these were just a few little trays and things that I saw in the kitchen section. I loved this for the bathroom, great for hanging little towels on and things like that. It's kind of like a bamboo effect, which I thought was really nice. And then there's loads of different containers and storage jars, which I thought would be really, really useful as well if you're going for that more natural look. Then we've got some containers for the shower and bathroom. Great for storing products and things like that. I actually bought one of these myself and it's so useful. These storage containers would be good for the bathroom, and also little small kids items like Legos and things like that. Again, more new in items that I spotted I thought were really, really pretty, and lots of baskets. These were actually in the bathroom section, but you could use these around the whole house. And again, these are some bits that I found online. A hair wrap. I didn't actually see these in store, but so good. For £3, you get a pack of 2 in grey and white. I absolutely loved this hack, using the Kallax units and then putting a worktop on top to make it one huge unit. I thought that was really, really great use of space and perfect for a living room if you need some storage, or even a playroom. I thought that would look really cool. And then we're coming over to lighting now. So there's lots of new lighting in store today. Look at these, how pretty are they? I loved that kind of floral one. I thought it was gorgeous, and I loved this light as well. It's more of a pendant. They also had a lamp as well, which I'll show you now. So this is the lamp version for £29. I thought this would look really cool in a living room, dining room, or even your bedroom. Very, very cool. I really liked that one. And then there's this other lamp here, more of a pendant light, sorry. That one was £35. And I like this. This is not actually new, but I thought it would look really cool, and I wanted to share it with you because I thought it would look great in a kid's bedroom. I loved this one. I thought that would look gorgeous in a dining room or a bedroom, how they've got it styled. This is just so, so cool. I love it so much. And I loved this pink light with the kind of brass effect. I thought that was so, so sweet. This would be a great TV stand. It was new in, so I thought I would show you. It's kind of like a dark forest green grey, I guess. £229 that was. And then I spotted this in the kids' bedroom section. I thought it would be really cool if you've got like a jungle theme. It's like a jungle tent that goes over the bed for £25. I thought that was really, really good and would be so fun in a kid's bedroom. They had lots of little beds as well, lots of bedding, and this bed here was actually new in, so I thought I would show you that. I loved this furniture. I think I showed this in my last video, but not in person, so I wanted to show you it whilst I was actually in store because they had it all set up and I liked that. And then this bench was really cool as well, which is nice for the garden. Lots of little garden pieces. I like the colours of all of these kind of like neutrals. They're so my vibe. And these box containers, I thought they were new in as well. So they're kind of like a shelf display box, which is cool. Now let me show you a couple of bits that I found online, which were great for like a utility room or laundry. This is by the Borstad range. And I didn't see any of this in store, so I wanted to show you it online, just in case you are shopping online. I just thought, how lovely do all of these pieces look. So, so gorgeous. And then lastly, I wanted to show you the new Ikea Fracta bag, which I believe is limited edition. This is a coloured one, so it's got the rainbow on it, and it is supporting the LGBTQ+ community, so all profits will be donated to those charities. And yeah, I just wanted to end it with that one for you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and in the next video, I'll be showing you everything I bought from this Ikea trip, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!